Hey everyone, welcome back to Mockup. In this video, I will show you how to create a realistic subway poster video mockup in Photoshop. Step by step, you will learn how to place your poster design, add motion, and achieve a professional advertising mockup look. Let's get started. At first, simply drag and drop your video in Photoshop and let's play the video. Look, this is a blank video. Now place your design here. At first, select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle for smart object. Now select the rectangle shape. Now drag out from the video group and adjust the video timeline. Double click on it and change the color, any one color, and right click on it, select convert it to smart object. Now change the layer name smart object and double click on it to open in a new tab and place your design here. Again adjust the timeline. Now go to file and click the save option. You can see your smart object is updated here. Now play again the video. There, look, when the all lights are going off in this place, the poster should be also be turned off. See how we can do that. Now select the smart object layer. And select the opacity key on. Click the opacity option here. There is the opacity key added. Now simply reduce the opacity slightly according to video. Now play the video slightly. Again the opacity reduce more. Again the lights when turned on. Now increase the opacity slightly. Now there is the 100%. Now again play the video and have a look. That is the perfect. Now add some the light effect in the smart object. Go to effects option and add the inner glow. Select the overlay layer mode and pick the white color or some the blue also, then press OK and increase the, have a look, the light are changes, then press OK. We again play the video, and that's how you can create a realistic subway poster video mockup in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Mockup Art. For more awesome Photoshop mockup tutorials, turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.